You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very curious word. What a fascinating word. Look at the spelling of this thing. The pronunciation is not that bad once you know. If you want to learn more vocabulary from science, biology, stay tuned, by the way. Coccidioides. So let's break it down. This is a family of fungus. Cocci. Consider the double C like an X, right? Cocci, because the first C is K and the second one is S. So coccidioides. I know. It's quite something. Coccidioides. It's easy once you know, isn't it? Coccidioides. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.